Managing a product like Android can be challenging. Android is an open source operating system. You can find the Android operating system source code at the Android Open Source Project, or AOSP. AOSP is tremendously useful for anyone making a product that needs a touchscreen user interface that looks nice. Android also has really nice software development tools for making Android software. Products like the Coke Freestyle machine you see in fast food joints run their user interfaces on AOSP. Google has been expanding Android from phones to other devices. Google TV is an operating system for televisions based on Android. Every Google TV is pretty much like every other Google TV. Variation comes mostly in the form of preloaded applications. Apart from that, Google TV is Google TV everywhere you see the Google TV logo. That level of uniformity didn't come easy to phones. When Android was first launched, phone makers wanted to differentiate their Android-based products from one another. That was mostly a disaster because phone makers are really bad at making software. Eventually, a kind of satisfactory level of uniformity was achieved by Google licensing a package of proprietary software called Google Mobile Services, or GMS, under strict conditions. You might think Google would be ready to enforce even better uniformity in feature sets and pricing models in Android Automotive, the Android variant for car infotainment systems. But based on recent news about GM demanding a $25 a month subscription in order to access Google Maps in their cars that use Android Automotive, Google needs to do some work to keep their automotive licensees in line. Imagine a phone maker making the same demand. Not only would it be rejected by customers, it's very likely it would be a breach of the license that the phone maker has for Google Mobile Services, because it creates uncertainty about what you get with an Android phone. Allowing GM to get away with this dilutes the ability of Google to provide a quality user experience for Android in cars. It's backsliding to the days of different Android variants on every phone. It's also lazy and unambitious on GM's part. GM could have enhanced their Android-based infotainment system in some meaningful way and charged a subscription for GM-specific enhancements. But no, they're just putting part of Google Automotive Services behind a paywall. That's bad for customers. It's bad for Google and for Android Automotive.